Hi, everybody. It's David Afariat, one of the co-founders and managing partners of Trade Ideas, on a beautiful day away from the desk, here to welcome in our test drive, the best chance to try out our decision support technology for $11 and use all of the powerful analytics and tools that we have to make better decisions at Trade Ideas at your disposal. I want to talk about one particular question that comes up a lot about our artificial intelligence, our AI that we call Holly, and pairing it with some of the brokers in which we do automated trading, and the requests we get about people who say, we want the AI to auto trade and make us all the money we need to make forever and ever. And there's lots of flaws with that thinking. My style of trading is not even our AI's style of trading. But if it were, and we all jumped in at the time that Holly said a particular trade at at this price point was the entry, we all wouldn't get that price. So then it becomes it becomes a total mob crowd trying to get into one place at one time. It's impossible. But that doesn't mean that there isn't value to be found in Trade Ideas' AI. In fact, I use the tool and her as my canary in the coal mine. What she does, I'm able to see as an example, powerful example of an entity that has done an enormous amount of crunching through scenarios in order to produce an idea for me to evaluate that I find very valuable. And I might decide to myself that, gee, that's not the risk level that I want to take. I'm going to wait for a pullback. Or regardless, it's just not the risk I'm about to take right now. But I do find that she makes the best watch list of ideas in the market that I can go back and continually look at and say, is that the right idea at the right price at the right time for me? And there's a lot of value in that. And I invite you to try it. And again, there's no better time to do so than our test drive. And should you become a subscriber and actually use Holly for your trading decisions, our AI, you can always use our simulated trading, the best way to find out and test whether your ideas match up to what Holly is doing or they don't. But you'll get better in simulated trading before you ever put a dollar at risk. That's some of the decision support and risk management tools that are available to you through Trade Ideas. And I urge you to give them a shot. Look forward to talking to you soon about it.